Machine has entrusted us to lead out the first 4 days of the stage 2 of the Great Divide Ride. This is our journey.
9 minutes past 4, got up at 4 o'clock. Day 1, Great Divide Ride, stage 2, from the Hunter Valley to Mackay. The first stage is going to be, we're the lead rider, sorry. The first stage that we're going to do is going to take us from the Hunter into Dungog to Gloucester, Gloucester to Comboyne to Pont Macquarie. 363 kilometres with the enduro loop added. So this is a typical day for the lead riders. It's 4 o'clock in the morning. Most riders get going between 7:30 and 8. So we got to be on the road by 4:30. This is our motel room. Have a look around. It's a bit of a mess at the moment. We have our arrows, our bag. We're all ready to go. Have a quick coffee, regroup downstairs, and head off. Wish us luck. Woo. Coffee. Only thing getting us going first up in the morning. It's 4 in the morning. It's the only thing we've got till we get to Gloucester. About 2.5 hours away. Just try not to wake everyone.
Here we are at 4:30 in the morning, the first arrow of a 8-day event. We're just coming out of Crown Plaza, Newcastle, Hunter Valley. Yeah, first arrow. That way.
Right, we'll catch up shortly. So there's 3 lead riders on this stage. There's Pip Slade, Glenn Thomas, and myself. So Pip started, we're just waiting for Glenn Tomo to turn up. He won't be very far away, it's 4:45 in the morning. There's a few bikes in this section, there's 100 of us. So, trying to give you a bit of perspective on, in this short videos, of the lead riders. We're going to do 4 days of lead riding and 4 days of riding. So hopefully you enjoy what we're going to show you. See what goes into organise a 100-person, 3,000 kilometre Great Divide Ride. Okay, we're meshed. There's all your shit there, Tomo. Where are you going to put yours? Okay. We got green roll, pink roll, safety tape. Oh, what are you?
Well, yeah. What are we? Rollies, look out. Righto. Well, that's worth the come up. What have we got here, Tomo?
The O-land,
Yeah. Where's Convoy and Rock? That one?
back down into the back of Wimmer and down into what's it called, Laurel Flat.
What about this way? Oh, that's this. Would that be the Sells? Sells River Road out there?
That'd be where we just come from, yeah.
Yeah. Nice. Rollies, look out. Nice. It's like a out of control dream train going down there. That back tyre was just not stopping. Yep, slid all the way. I think it was just I was on that clay. Day 2, El Paso and Port Macquarie, where all these adventure riders are asleep. All the bikes are chilled for the night. Me and Pip, Tomo, the lead riders are going to get going into dark again. This is a side of adventure riding that most adventure riders don't see. Okay. Here comes the sun. Right, Tomo? Right, you lead for a while. You've got better eyesight in the dark. Oh, they take the plates away. Nice. It's going to be a beautiful day.
one of the benefits of being a lead rider. Look at this beautiful day. Look at that. Come on, beautiful. Really nice. Sometimes you have to improvise.
Right, Bev?
Right, these are the lads that just arrowed the second day from Port Macquarie to Grafton. We left at 4:30 this morning, and this is our treat. Get in early, Kentucky Fried Chicken. Life of a lead rider.
Fucking wow.
Right, here we are. We've got a little bit of a problem with the Husqvarna Norden 901. The guy's come around the corner, thought he could take it, but he couldn't. He was way out of his pay scheme. And there it is, parked down there. Okay, here comes the Norden out of the bushes. On you, Dave Green. Look at that. What a master of disaster.
Unhook the rope. Can you come right over? Like come over 1.5 metres. Yeah. Well, just undo the rope. Give us a just someone hold this rope up there. Can you hold the rope up there? Got it. Even this way is ahead.
So here's this greasy log that he actually hit. So he came down through here. There's his tyre marks going past that helmet. Goes down there. Then the poor bugger, there's a greasy log there, spat him straight over the edge.
Okay, bike's still coming in. It's 6 o'clock. So this is what it looks like at the end of a day. Show you the start, show you the end. All good fun. Another 4 o'clock start. We're at Grafton. Another foggy day, it's probably gonna rain. Ready to roll. Time to go. 4:30. Live in Grafton. Set up for rain today. Rain's on its way. Prepped up for it. Going over the Clarence. Heading out to the Old Grafton Road. On the way up to Tetterfield. Day 3, as you can see, fog again. 3 days in a row, 3 hours of fog we've got to ride through. Anyway, take it easy and there we go. This is what it looks like in the morning early when heaps of fog's around. A bit sketchy. We're on the Old Grafton Road, a few roos popping around, so got to take it a bit safe. No rush, we're a few hours in front of the main route, so on our way to deep water for breakfast.
awesome ride this morning. Through the fog, you can still see it up there in the distance. Riding along the old Grafton Road. Not far from Dalmorton and the tunnel. Anyway, better keep going. Just sort of quick stop just so you can have a look at how beautiful this place is early in the mornings. Righto boys.
Morning. We're at Dalmorton. This is more or less Bumblefuck Central. We're having oranges off that tree down there for breakfast.
Alright.
Here we have Eric, our #1 apprentice, Tomo #2 apprentice. They're qualified now. Me and Fulvio are a bit old, so we've got to pass the reins on to the younger fellas. Fulvio's bleeding, I'll just give him a bit of an uppercut.
Nose bleeding again. Fucking lantana.
Pip's doing that good a job, he's going to do you out of the job. Really travelling with Pip, not travelling with the teams.
Anyway, over and out. Rightio.
This tunnel was cut by hand, and there's just enough room to get a bullock team through.
Yeah, it's looking good, eh? Nice work. Brumbies. Hello, Eric.
A quick thank you to Eric for coming along and helping us arrow for a couple of days at the beginning of the ride. Pull in the deep water for a fuel up and a bacon egg roll.
Put the arrows to the left up here to sign it. Will you?
Put the sign. You got that? He wants you to do his work for him. You got me, Pip? I mean, you got me. Oh, you just played fucking dumb, wasn't he? No comment. Righto, people, we'll see you back at Tenterfield. Be good. Be safe.
At this point, the lead rider split up. Pip does the adventure route, and me and Tomo are heading further forward to start the Enduro loop. Hopefully Pip will be okay. It's always a bit sketchy when you're out there on your own, so he's trying to stay safe and stay upright. That's a good place for a photo. Look at that. Your turn to lead.
Okay.
He's drinking.
I am doing something.
I told you it was good.
Now
Yeah. It is just hot, and I told you your 500 would be schmick. Yeah.
that was just insanely good.
What about the second enduro? Do you like that one?
Second one.
Well, no prick.
Insanely good.
Dave.
Yeah.
Train station there with the Queensland waters right there. Then we're going to do a right turn and heading towards Girrawee National Park and go past, there's quite a few wineries in there. As you can see today, we're getting into granite country. Lots of granitic boulders and things around here. It's perfect for producing wine up in this region.
Last day.
Last day of arrowing. Last day of arrowing, Friday. 4 days into our ride. 4:30 in the morning, we're up. And we're into it, just waiting on Tomo. We won't be long before we go.
As Pip just said, 4:30 in the morning. Dropping off our luggage. Got in the truck. Ready for the day ahead. Morning, Tomo. Side door. Trailer. Righto, come on. Go on, what do you want to do? Bakery? God, these lead riders are tough work, eh? Yeah, you've been here before. Go through here, Tomo.
Yes, we stopped at the bakery, that's right. The arguments between the lead riders for breakfast, fucking hell. That's all we want you to do, Pip. We don't want you to strip off. Too much information. Just do one, back to back it. Come on. This stick it better.
Got it?
Yep. Perfect. Lovely. You want to just put it on the gate? Come on. Did you? Fruit fence, or is it a dog proof fence? Grab it, have it, dog. No, absolutely not. Bog hole down here, Tomo. I'm taking the inside line. All good. Big rut there, Tomo, go to the right. Bit of sand. Boggo, water. Oh, deep, come on. Woohoo! Well, that's a wrap from out the front, so now it's time to join the pack.